show. Let's start. Let's dive into the action. All right, here we are. How's everybody doing? How was the weekend? Dan Amos, hello. What's up, Dan? Bill Hovens, welcome. Marco, welcome. Dobro jutro. Yannick's. What's up? All right. Francis, hello. Good morning there. Okay. Okay, let's see the charts. I haven't started Quant Hour yet, so I gotta double check. What a morning, what a week. And we have some news. I hope we have some news during the week. I really hope so. Let's check the calendar. Today, FOMC members. All right, what about tomorrow? Oh, nice. Yeah, tomorrow is non-farm payroll. Totally forgot. Oh, yeah. Guys, tomorrow is non-farm payroll. Oh, yeah. It's that time already. It has been pushed to tomorrow. Yeah. So let's see. Right. Let's look. The magical indicators pretty much flatlined here on NQ, as far as I can tell. Not much is moving. Not much is happening. Yeah, let's look for some levels. That's the safest way to go. Boom, banana, hello there. Welcome. Kishig, hey, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin went below. You know, I was actually checking Bitcoin over the weekend. And let me just get these things off. There was a supply zone here. Sorry, not supply zone, demand zone. My apologies. There was a demand zone here, and as you can see, Bitcoin went through it, and this demand zone somewhat, I mean, the market somewhat reacted to this zone, and now it's going a little bit higher. I'm not saying we're going back up there. The only thing that there is this fair value gap, kind of like an inversion gap. So this area could still be holding some orders, so Bitcoin can go, but this is the hourly chart. Overall, on the big picture, I think Bitcoin is going to go down to 73K down here. Yeah, 72,000, I don't know, 6. I don't even know what that level is. Ah, come on. Yeah, 72,724 is where I think Bitcoin is going to go. So this is the daily chart. I pretty much zoomed out. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful demand zone down there. In the big picture, that's what I think Bitcoin is going to do. So anyway, just my 2 cents. But for now, today, intraday, I have no idea. Mr. Fire, hello, good morning. Hey, Jerome, hello. Don't forget to like and say thank you so much. So, speaking of NQ again, Shenanigan, hello there. I'm kind of looking for levels again here. Possible supply and demand zones. There is one though. On the 5-minute. Almost totally forgot it. Here's a 5-minute supply zone. We can see the reaction in this area. It has, look at that. It has rejected the market once earlier. Now that kind of tells us that we can still move higher. As for Asia highs and lows, we'll check it out. Powers, hello. You think silver and gold will have a blow off top? Well, I don't know. We'll have FOMC tomorrow. I think they will. Yes, sorry. It's pretty close. Thank you for a good question. Definitely, I think that. Yes. Yes. New all-time high. New all-time high on gold and silver. I think there's not just tomorrow. It could happen today. I wouldn't be surprised if this would happen. Actually, no. That's not all-time high. I'm sorry. Doesn't matter. It's the same thing. There you go. Yes, it can still happen today. Maybe not even tomorrow. There you go. Gold all-time high, 44.36. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. But we're going to check gold in a minute. Yes. Good afternoon, Mr. Fire. What's up? All the way from India. Hey, welcome. Caleb, welcome. Switch to trading, more options. Been loving it. Nice. Good luck with it. Awesome, awesome. Camille, hello. Hey. Yeah, there's no another. This is this month FOMC. It has been pushed to tomorrow. So this Friday, this first Friday of the month, there was no FOMC. FOMC, NFP. Come on. Wait, what are you? No, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, wrong question. Yes, no, not another FOMC. There's just gonna be FOMC member speaking, and tomorrow there's gonna be an NFP, not FOMC, non-farm payroll. Tomorrow. Today there's gonna be, oh yeah, because for you it's still yesterday. It's still Sunday for some of you guys. Yes, there's gonna be FOMC. I don't know what they're gonna say. Some FOMC members are gonna speak. Yeah. Good morning, Bryce. Hello. Okay, so let's see what's happening. I definitely need my coffee. It's here, by the way. It's here on my desk, but I haven't drank it yet. There isn't. It's NFP. Yes, yes, it's NFP tomorrow. I mean, if you still have Sunday in your time zone, then we can say that yes, tomorrow, aka today, we're gonna have some FOMC members talking. FOMC member speaks. Miran and Williams are going to speak today, but that's not an official FOMC. I mean, there's it's gonna be nothing, just some comments, and that's it. Tuesday is NFP, exactly. NFP, CPI, everything you need. We have everything. Lots of things. All right. Let's check gold. Well, I have a plan. I'm going to show you in a second. Just a quick check on gold. Previous day low. Previous day low. Previous day high. Previous day low, previous day high. Okay. Okay, that's gold. Just a second. So NQ, my plan for NQ is, well, I like to see price going back into this 5-minute supply zone. So let me go down to the 5-minute chart. It's not too far, to be honest. It's not too far. Actually, it's fair. 61 points. Anyway, I'd like to see price go back up there into that supply zone. But otherwise, if it would drop, let me switch to the hourly chart. So we swept this low here. And that was on Friday. So we have relative equal lows down here. Now, having said that, we still have another level which is valid. There's a demand zone down at 24,910. So how far is that? That's like 340 points. That might gonna happen in the New York session if NQ starts to fall like a knife. Maybe I will, look into a short, most likely later in the New York session. But during the London session, for now, just because there was a clear reaction here on Friday from this supply zone, I'm gonna see if the market will try to go one more time to the mid level. The safe level as target would be that 300 excuse me, 316 area, which means if I go down to the 1-minute chart, all I'm looking for is a possible displacement somewhere above this level, which is 282. Sorry, my voice is not too good. Have you changed contracts yet? No, not yet. But you know what? I'm going to check these contracts. No, that's not it. CME contract volume. Okay, so here's the contract volume on this on CME. Now, as you can see, this is NASDAQ. You can start to see how the and this data is from Friday. The December contract, as you can see on Globex, it still has a lot more volume. You see, the total volume is a lot more, and this data is from Friday. Now, obviously, today the volume is going to be more on this contract. I mean, the new contract, on the March contract. But I would say as long as we have more volume on the December contract, I'm going to stay on the December. I think it's going to, on Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, it could be shifting. Today, I believe that today there's still the December contract that is in play. You can still see, the shift. It's changing. It's shifting over to the new contract. So we're gonna wait. Quad watching, yeah. Odds are we trade a big range. Yeah, it could be. Welcome, K-Bell. How you doing? Curry Fishbowl, what's up? Good morning, K-Bell. Malo, hello there. 500 times 23. Let's go. Good job, man. That is an excellent job. Oh yeah, I can paste it to you. This is the CME website. Let me just paste it to you. I have to log into the chat. I have to log into the chat. Here's the website. You can save it and you can track it. Did you see Major CSGO? No, I didn't. Is there an update on CSGO? I was playing Escape from Tarkov. Yeah, welcome, Good Visual. I think Mullo never posted. Losing, no. I don't know. He's winning. He's winning every day. Good morning, Gabor. Good morning. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. All right. $25 140 to 400 should be the range if we break below of the range. 24,900 should be target on December contract. Could be. Could be. Oh, you blew up 2 Warbox accounts. Oh, but hey, 32 days, that's the only loss. That's amazing, man. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay, so I'm waiting for this move. Waiting for this market to go higher. Based on my superb magical indicators from the future, and this is NQ right here, we could be expecting a possible push higher. Yeah, so this is NQ. Oops. But we'll see how it goes. Market isn't moving. Yes, Cable. It's nothing basically right now. No movement at all. This is gold. Gold and NQ. I know I'm switching again the charts, but there's not much happening on gold. We're kind of waiting on this NQ thing. So let's wait. Bulenox 149, 148. Yeah, 148 on the 50k. Yeah, Malo. Still a good deal though. I said dildo. Oh my gosh. Still a good deal though. Yeah, so it's 91% off. Hey, I love the language. That's it. So it's still 91% off. Yeah. What do you think of 50k standard alpha account? I haven't tried it. I'm sorry, real peace. I never tried that. Too early. What's on your mind, brother? Yeah. It is what it is. Bulenox has an activation fee of $148. Hey, we're having fun. You know, a good deal or dildo, who cares? It's gonna be a freaky Christmas, guys, I can tell you. $148, but only on the 50k accounts. The bigger accounts, so if you go to the 100k, 150k accounts, it's going to be much more expensive. I think it's $230 or $40. Actually, let me check it. It's extremely expensive on Bulenox. Bulenox activation fee. Master account. It's very expensive. Is there a fee? Yeah, here it is. So here you go. The 100k account has a $248 activation fee. The 150k account has a $498 activation fee. Look at that. The 250k account has a $898 activation fee. So my best advice, friendly advice, is that do not go bigger than the 50k account here. 25k and 50k accounts are in play. If you have some extra money to spare for the 100k account, then maybe, but these two are the ones to go with Bulenox. The 25k and the 50k. Okay, going lower. Girlfriend gonna be in trouble. Have you seen Legends prices? Seem too good to be true, Sam. I saw some prices there. Yeah, I mean, they seem okay. I don't have a code yet. Yeah. The problem is, I applied for Legends Trading affiliate program, but they require a certain amount of clicks and sales. And so there was a test period when my link was out and nobody was really interested in Legends Trading. So they actually closed my affiliate account and I haven't really opened up an account with them. That's not that they are awesome, by the way. No bad words about Legends Trading. I just saying I was focusing too much on other prop firms, so they decided to close my account, my affiliate account. But I haven't really traded. Actually, I traded them with once. I blew up the account, and I wasn't really keeping the focus with them. So I don't know if they're any good or not yet currently, because this was like a month ago. This was not now, this was quite a few months ago. Anyway. Dun, 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 dun. Well, NQ is not doing anything currently. And neither does gold. Yeah. Not much is happening with gold as well. NQ is going lower. Well, if NQ is going lower, how far can we go? Which one would be the Asia low? This one? This one? This is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. It's hard to say. Where would be the Asia low? I think this would be it, because this bearish candle actually picked up some liquidity on this 5-minute chart. That's where I would put my Asia low, here. Right there. Okay, so that's on my terms, that's Asia low at 221. There is one more swing low, I know, right here. So we have a sell side liquidity at 233. Seems like that's where NQ might want to go, but I'm still waiting. Good morning, Toll Trader. Hey, welcome back. Good to see you. How's it going? You're shutting down for the year? All right. Well, it might be the wisest decision. Who knows what's going to happen in the rest of the month, but I'm going to continue to trade. I'm going to continue to grind, but hey, that's awesome. Just so you dip your fingers in gold. Oh, yes. Sometimes I do realize it's a good thing to trade gold sometimes. Not always. Like, I'm still like only trading gold like 10-15% of the time. I'm still focusing on NQ, but hey, a little bit of gold here and there couldn't really hurt too much, right? Asia low is 151. Let's check it. Oh. $151 here. Could be. Maybe. I'm not arguing. For me, I'd like to go with this, but hey, 151 looks good as well. It's basically not far off from the 6 p.m. reset, so it could work out. Gold has been a blast this year. Well, yeah, so I keep seeing like many people who trade gold. That's why I decided to dip in gold a little bit. Hey, Harshit, view on gold? Not much. I think it's just gonna, I mean, I'm still bullish. All-time high, 44.36. I'd like to see this go higher. There's no demand zone lower that I can go with, so there's nothing here. Previous day high, which is Friday high, basically. So Friday high, and then all-time high. So I'm gonna remain bullish. For now, the only thing we have is a fair value gap here, but I'm not gonna scalp it, so I don't care what gold does here. I don't have any setup on gold currently. If it goes down into this fair value gap, I'd say if we go down here, could be picking up some orders, and then, you know, like going down, picking up orders, and then something like this. That would be a possible plan, maybe, but that's it. You're in 1 minute breaker short. Yes, let's go. Yeah, we have some targets down there. Holding the 45 on futures and even rip up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. 221. Yeah, Asia low in my terms, but again, no debate or arguing. This would be my Asia low, 221, if this one is a possible short. The problem is, I don't know where to get into this trade. I could be using this fair value gap to get in, you know, with a nice 2 to 1 risk to 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Maybe I could do that. I don't know. It looks good. Maybe I'm gonna put a limit sell at 253. All right, I put a limit sell at 253 just to see if it's gonna take it. All right, I got tagged in to a limit sell or sell limit, and my target would be, well, 222-ish. Yeah, that's fine. Stop loss 268. Yeah, TP would be at 222.70. This is my probe trade. 222.75. All right, so I'm in a short position, but this is the probe trade of the day. Yeah, and it doesn't look good. Anyway, let's just kind of wait. Yeah, could be that, tall trader. Yeah, we'll see. 83, 73, 83. Yeah. Mahavir, hello there. Yeah. Buying gold from 43.60. Awesome, awesome. Hey, thank you so much, Mahavir. I very grateful, appreciate it. Thank you for the support, man. Randall, hey, good luck today. Be really careful. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Gotta be careful today. And you know, tomorrow is also like, I mean, we have NFP, CPI. It's gonna be crazy. Good to see you, Randall. How you doing? How was the weekend? Kev, what's up? Doing good, thank you. The 1 hour looks choppy. Yeah, it definitely looks like choppy. Chop fest. Okay, so also my super magical indicator shows a possible short position here. We'll see. Maybe I'll go a little bit heavy on this. Okay, we'll see. Sure. Well, I took this because there is a I think there's an Asia low at 221, so I jumped in on a fair value gap. Nothing special. So this is just a probe trade, which means this is the FU trade, you know, the FU trade, like who cares what's gonna happen. Good morning, Caesar. Hello. Yes, it served me very well. It served me very good. Really good, I must say. But if you take every signal, so very important understatement here. If you take every signal from this indicator, you're definitely going to lose your account. You got to understand the context of the market. You still got to do the market analysis. You got to see your levels still, like what you're looking for, etc. If you take every signal, it's bad. I got filled at 53. Take profit at 222. 222.75. Yeah, well, exactly the same fill then, almost. 53.19. Don't ask me how it happened. 53.19, but but it shows 53.19 anyway. My TP is 22.75. But we'll see. NQ if you hard. Yeah, NQ can move actually very. I have the same position, by the way, on a scalping account. So just saying, here's my two positions. I also scalped this one for 33. So I guess we can say that I'm a little bit heavier on one of these positions, but I'm exiting with the 5 micro trade at 33 or something. Yeah. Oh, Dominic, sorry. Where is your first message? I might have missed it. Sorry if I missed anyone's message. Dominic, good morning. I see your good morning message there. Hello. Any other message from Dominic? Sorry, man. Because I'm switching between the tabs. I mean, I should have a separate screen for the chat, by the way. That's how I saw the pros are doing. I should have a separate screen for chat, a bigger screen, so I can see everything. But I'm switching between the tabs. Like, okay, and then I switch back to tab, and I'm missing some messages, so I need another one. No. First one. I know, but hey, I think I do have an extra spare screen. It's down here next to my desk. Maybe I can connect it somewhere. The problem is the space, but I mean, if I put it to the right, that's not good because I have to turn my head all the time. So I should be putting it somewhere to the left here. Anyway, I will find out. I will find a solution. Okay, so far it's not looking that bad, but coming in compared to others, well, I mean, I'm just trying to keep the conversation going as much as possible, but obviously I have days when I am super slow, and I have days when I'm pretty much lazy to scroll back the chart all the way back. And so if I don't answer your questions, just feel free to ask it again, and I'll do my best. But hey, that's why we're here, to keep a positive community, right? I'm concentrating. Well, for now, there's not much else to concentrate on. The indicator, as you can see, by the way, now you can see it firsthand. The indicator showed that this is the short signal here. Actually, the early short signal was the first candle. Let me show you. Was this candle right here, which was breaking lower on the moving averages. The safe short is this current candle, but my opinion is that this is a late signal. This signal is a little bit late because the level is too close. So I decided to scalp it from up here. So again, there are multiple ways, but this is a short signal based on the indicator. But I didn't take it because of the indicator. I took it because there is a, let me show you. I took it because we have an Asia low. We have a swing low at 233. And obviously London open is getting closer. So I was hoping that we might sweep that 33 level and then lower. And there was this fair value gap here. Not just there, but also like here. So I thought, hey, if we can sweep this fair value gap, then why not just go down there and take those levels, right? At least that was the original idea. But we'll see. And by the way, since we're here and London Open is getting closer, can you guys please help out the stream? It's free to do. To smash that like button, smash it, but be careful with the mouse. That definitely helps out the channel, and we like the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much. If you can help out with the like button, thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. It definitely helps the channel a lot. Thank you. All right. Still kind of waiting here. 15 minutes until London. So let's see how it goes, right? And as for gold, not much is happening on gold. We're still in a bullish move here, and that's why I haven't really wanted to go short. But hey, I think the plan about gold... Oh, not this one. Look at that. It's kind of working out. Went down there, picked up liquidity from this fair value gap, and now kind of looks like it wants to go higher, right? Interesting. I have bought on your 68. You bought at 68? Let's go. Let's go. I said it before that I... Oh, yeah. Well, let me check my TP on this one. So we have 33. Yeah. So I'm getting out, if possible, from one of these positions at 33.75, because that would be a scalp trade. And the one with 4 micro that you guys see here, that would be the classic trade. Or I don't know how to call it. The classic 1 to 2 setup trade. Cyril, hello there. How's it going? Yeah, so far so good, but I always say it's not over until it's not over. $83/50. Let's see if we can go through. I'm short 10 cons. Oh, and 3 XFA accounts, right? That's an XFA. Woohoo! 275. Let's go. Printing the money, MRC. Let's go. I like it. I like it. Well, we have still some time until the Asia low. 93 with the break, even of 73 now. Wow, you are printing the profits there. Well, once you figure it out, it goes. But you know, honestly, I found that gold could be so tricky. I mean, I know you said the opposite because you said NQ, but I just feel like gold goes to the levels that, yeah, it goes to those levels and it reacts to those levels that you're looking for, but before reaching certain levels, it's so many times just, you know, does a liquidity sweep or a pullback, or, you know, just shakes out everybody. It could be kind of tricky. It's a tricky one. But anyway, okay, 10 minutes to go, I think, until London Open. Does it it's 25, 50, 75. I see. So it goes for those quarterly numbers, quarter numbers. I see. Maybe I said it a few times before. Ty Golden, hello. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. So I was thinking about to open up a CFD prop firm account and do a little bit of a swing trading. I am thinking about it, by the way. Honestly I do. So gold is in fair value gap. Let's see. Satish, hello. Let's see. So this is what the indicator tells me right now on gold. It's actually not bad. We're still in an uptrend on the 1 minute chart. What I would be waiting for, and the candle color is kind of showing me that we are neutral. If I would see a pullback a little bit stronger on gold with the dot, that would, you know, that would tell me that we can go higher. But for now, just kind of waiting. I see. Okay. CFD fibers is the best. Yeah, I tried fibers. Do you have any tips for beginners? I got it funded in 2 days, but then accidentally bought 3 micros instead of 3 minis. I mean, you mean like you bought 3 minis instead of micros and blew the account? Well, Tristan, definitely only go with micros, which are the smaller contracts, right? If you're just starting out, maybe it would be easier for you to go with a prop firm that has either a cheap upfront cost or like no monthly payment. I would say Lucid Trading, it has only a one-time payment, no activation fee, so you can take your time. If it takes you 2 months, 3 months to pass that evaluation account, it's fine too. So Lucid Trading or MyFundedFutures core account is definitely a good choice for you. So, but Lucid Trading or, you know, I don't want to say the intraday trailing account yet to you because you might be uncomfortable with the intraday trailing if you're brand new. But if you really want to go cheap upfront cost, then Apex or Bulenox. You can get a Bulenox account for $15, but it's intraday. Actually $16, $15.75, but it's going to be intraday trailing, which is not a big deal as long as you go with small positions and base hits. It's up to you, budget wise as well. Good morning, Jenna. Hello. Hey, welcome back. Oh my gosh, my trade goes against me. What a surprise. What does this show? Oh yeah, it's not good. It's not good. All right. Unfortunate. Well, this could be it for the NQ trade, but one of these trades is closing. I mean, I'm gonna close it earlier because I have my stop real close here. at 60.25 on the 5 micro trade. I don't want to let it go too much to the upside. We tried, you know, we tried, didn't work out. It is what it is. Well, if you're scared to hold it, it's not financial advice, obviously. We have the London Open, so London Open can, you know, push higher like super crazy. And overall, I am bullish. I told you guys, in the big picture, I'm bullish on NQ. Looking for this to spike higher to the 5-minute supply zone. So it's your decision. I can't make that decision for you. And obviously, no financial advice on my end. Maybe it would be better to close it. I'm gonna leave it for the full stop because I don't care, and I'm gonna be looking for another trade if it goes higher. Intraday swing trading. Thank you, Jenna. Well, I mean, I call it intraday swing trading because you're looking at the 15-minute levels, even 30-minute levels, hourly levels. And there's nothing wrong with like entering a position during London session or early New York session and hold it for a few hours. And that's why it would be like sort of like an intraday swing trading. It could be a little bit difficult when there is news releases. That's the only thing I forgot to mention. But if there's a major news release, it can be a little bit, you know, not too good. Anginko, hello Anginko, what's up? NQ slippage is 6 ticks. Oh wow, how is that? That's a little bit too much, right? I don't know. Well, it depends. If there's no volume or not much volume in the market, the fills could be a little bit difficult, especially on the market order, by the way, just saying. Check bid and ask. Depends on which data provider, depends on the lack of volume. I mean that depends on lack of volume, but limit orders are actually getting better fills. Usually market orders tend to be slipped, especially in London session. But yeah, you can close it before the news. Yeah. You also see a 5-6 tick spread. Which prop firm is this, or which data feed? I'm gonna check it. I gotta check this. Oh yeah, this is M futures, by the way, that you see here, and the two lines are the bid and the ask. And so far, look at that. There is one whole point, which is like 5 ticks, 6 ticks on NQ. These two lines here, there's a price line and a bid and an ask price here. It kind of, oh wow, look at that. Then this is M futures here. Wow, there's definitely at least 5 ticks. I don't know what's going on. Robbie Baldwin, hello, welcome. Yeah, it's rollover week. Robbie, thank you for joining us. Welcome. Everywhere. Yeah, it's because, where is it? As you can see, we are rolling over to the new contract. The volume is still bigger on the December contract on NQ, but we are definitely shifting. Look at that. We're shifting to the new contract. This is Friday data, but yeah. Well, it seems like I'm gonna get stopped out before the open, but anyway, or at the open. But no problem. No problem. Is this correct? 20 seconds until the open. All right. Oh yeah, that website, I'm gonna paste it to you. All right, that's a CME website. Here's the website. You can save it and track the volume. Okay, here we go. London Open is here. Let's see what's gonna happen. I feel like it's gonna spike higher. Already opened, yeah. They are already open. Do we have any major news in London? Nothing, right? They opened 8:30. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, there is something on gold. I could be jumping into a gold trade, but only on the indicator account. Yeah, this is going to push higher. Unfortunately, NQ is going to push higher. At least that's what it seems like. Yeah, it's a very nasty price action for sure. Russia did a smaller stream on gold and Bitcoin. Oh. Let's see. Good morning, Mr. Brion. Hello. Welcome. How's it going? Well, interesting. I'm kind of looking at gold as well. So I might going to add, but I'm not sure, a gold trade here. But I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for a break. For now, it's not breaking. Marco, hello. Well, for now, but you know, as I say always, it's not over until it's not over. One of these positions have a TP at 33 down there because one of these are a bit like a scalping position. But I might close one of these. We'll see. Maybe it's too late, right? All right, waiting for gold. Moved your TP to 1-to-1. That's good. Wise decision. Yeah, I think I'm going to take the full stop here. I'm still waiting for gold to break higher. If that would happen, that could give me a possible entry. Unfortunately, the NQ trade is not looking good, but it is what it is. The problem is that gold is pretty much neutral right now. It's not doing anything. Yes, exactly. Psychic Trader, exactly. For $75, you are getting two 50K accounts with no activation fee, which means you can get one 50K account with zero activation fee for $37.50 at Funded Futures Network. Exactly. Exactly. Again, $37.50 with no activation fee. No financial, yeah, it will do. Well, let's see. It seems like it's doing it now. Maybe I could be a little bit early on this gold trade. Yeah, I might gonna jump in. All right. This is my break here that I was waiting for. My gosh, oversized. All right, took the trade on gold. Looking at the break higher, one of my NQ trades hit the stop. I still have a gold trade on. Let's see. Where is it? Here it is. So here's my gold trade. Kind of waiting for a scalp, and the NQ trade is gonna go to the dumpster here. Yeah. That's a shame. I really was hoping for more. I was hoping for more. I thought we were gonna sweep that Asia low, but we didn't. Trade Delicious, hello. Don't worry, I carve out my own way on this, but I'm not really focusing too much on it. I'm just testing an indicator here. We had the break, so. And by the way, it's quite interesting because now we have a long signal on NQ based on the indicator, but I'm gonna wait for now. Yeah. Yeah, NQ is looking bad now. That's why I said it's not over until it's not over. It's never over. Okay. Gold is not moving. NQ is back now. You see the other, I mean, anyway, we're back to break even. It is what it is. Okay, now NQ decided to finally go to the stop. Pretty confusing signals here, to be honest. But anyway, let's just wait. It's not good. It's not good. It's definitely not good. Small chance that we're gonna hit both TP on this one. How many pips is not moving for you? Well, 70 is good. That's definitely good. Okay, NQ is going down again. But my gold trade is also going down again. That nasty gold. Look at that. Okay, so NQ now is going to hit the 22. All right. But the gold trade is not good. Well, the gold trade has been made on the same account that I'm testing the indicator on. The NQ trade is on the classic trading account. So that's the classic 1 to 2 trade, which is still valid. The scalping account is not looking so good right now. NQ hit TP, let's go. Congratulations. Yeah. So what is pips? I'm used to do value percent. Well, pips is most likely used in Forex markets, most likely in currency markets, and yeah, gold as well on CFDs. It's basically a point, a value on each point of movement. Okay. Kind of crazy moves here on NQ. Wow. I'm not scared. I'm definitely not scared. It doesn't look good, but I'm not scared. I'm okay with this. Again, that's on the scalping account. And it's not looking good. The thing is, it's a tight stop there on gold. Yeah, almost getting stopped out now. Still kind of waiting for that Asia low. I mean, if it goes down, I should have expected that it will sweep some swing highs here. So that was not good for my scalp position. Yeah. TRADEIFY still gives me ticks for gold, for example. Yeah, because that's futures, and the CFD brokerages are most likely, you know, saying pips, and they're talking in pips. All right. Get ready to manage gold? All right. I'd be happy to. Well, it's gonna take care of itself because I have my stop in order and we have the high there, but yeah. I'll be ready. I just want to see that Asia low. Marco, NQ, MG, FG, RTY, GMG. Exactly. We'll see what it will do. Okay, so if my previous trade on NQ, the scalp trade, would have not been taken out here with this one, This would have hit the TP now. Unfortunate for me. But it is what it is when you're trading with very tight stops. But anyway. Let's go, Curry Fishbowl. Awesome, awesome. Ollie, hello there. Weekend was great. Yeah, absolutely awesome. Thank you. Hope everybody's weekend was awesome as well. Actually, I'm done with the Christmas gifts shopping, so I have everything. But guys, there is a war at the shopping malls, really. There is like a world war happening at the shopping centers and shopping malls. Everybody's like, oh my gosh. And I thought people don't have money. People are spending all the money in the world in the shopping malls right now. Everybody. It's here and stills. Yeah. I don't know. I keep seeing like everybody, like I parked the car down at the parking lot at the shopping mall, and everybody is pushing out the big LC, I mean the big televisions in the carts. You know, everybody's pushing out the big TVs, the microwaves, the the coffee machines and everything. Like, what the hell is going on? Yeah, credit cards, exactly. There's a stand in the shopping mall where you can apply for a credit card, to buy these stuff. Endless amount of people in line in the shopping mall for credit. And they keep buying these, electronics like microwave, television, computers, PS5, whatever. I don't know. I mean, what the hell is going on, man? Everybody keeps spending like crazy. Anyway, that is what it is. This Christmas. It's Christmas. Focus on, well, gold is not doing anything right now. We're stuck here. The good thing about this gold trade is that I don't even have to focus on it anymore, because either I'm gonna take the full TP or I'm gonna take the full loss. It's basically hands off now. Gold is absolutely hands off. I don't have to do anything with gold from now on. It's completely autopilot. Flat now. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the full stop or the full TP on gold. That is it. And I don't know why NQ didn't go for that 21 yet. But anyway. I kind of hate gold. Many traders hate gold. Many traders hate gold. Unfortunately for me, my girlfriend, she loves gold. So, that's not good for my budget. But yeah. Gold is not my friend. Yeah. Kind of a rough start here. Anyway. So far so good. Gold is not that bad as it looks like. But NQ, I was expecting more from NQ. I was expecting more. More drop. I mean, we swept that fair value gap. I mean, I guess this would be the first presentation gap, right? It's not looking good. Crude? That could be. Could be. My credit card is still shivering from expense. Oh yeah. I guess everybody has the same feeling. Oh no. You can. He blew my XFA account. No. You can listen. I'm sorry to hear that, man. The thing is, it has to be with overtrading. It definitely is with overtrading. By not able, I mean, it's a problem for everyone. We're having such a hard time to accept the losses, right? And that's why we keep blowing those accounts. That's the problem. But you'll make it back. You know, if you made an XFA account, you're gonna make another one. I know it. So thank you is taking cues from Bitcoin overnight. Oh, they're holding. It could be. SMTVDS. Oh, that's not the best for my short. Due to news from Russia that US is gonna buy it to clear death, but from experience, news coming out like that is shorts. Buy the news, sell the. I mean, buy the rumors, sell the news. Sorry. All right, all traders. See you around. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for dropping in. Yeah. That's what news is. I'm not satisfied with this trade so far. I was expecting that Asia low. I really was. I really was expecting that. But it seems like we're back to the range, so not much we can do with this. Gold is still holding. Yeah. Think about it. Buy Bitcoin to crash, USD to clear debts, BTC's value in USD market. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense. Do you think it will sweep Asia high first and then go for low? Where is Asia high? Hold on a second. There would be an Asia high. Well, I think if it sweeps Asia high first, at 284, I think it will go further to that 5-minute supply zone. So obviously we took out a sell side here, which might have been enough for NQ to pick up some orders. And so if we go for Asia high, I'd say we then go higher into that supply zone. I would not be shorting at Asia high. I mean, I don't know, but no. So I don't think so, but that's just my opinion. But hard to make a decision on this. Hey, well, we'll see. 284, yeah. London low is basically session VWAP. Oh, yeah. Slow London. I thought that we're gonna have that Asia low, but we're not. Yeah, it's Chop City, everybody. This is Chop City. So I don't want to chop myself up either. But we'll see how it goes. Oh man. Damn it, NQ. Come on. Well, I guess it is what it is. No Asia low, just going higher. But gold is in a small profit now, so the gold trade looks good. But man, the NQ trade, I'm disappointed. Very tough conditions nowadays, it seems like it. Well, it's December. What can we do, right? Let's just wait. Oh, is gold gonna hit the TP? Come on. We need to hit the TP there. Oh, just a second. Quick phone call to market makers. Oh, I forgot to take up a package. What is gold doing? Look at that. Ooh. Going higher. Pashka, hello there. The ratio is fairly high compared to mine. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that yours could be bad or something. I just went for the Tokyo Open and that's it. Come on, gold, just push it. Why is it so hard? There you go. All right. At least the gold trade brought back the loss from the previous scalp trade. So basically back to break even. So we're back to our original plan. So we'll see. You made 4,500 on 150k eval. Nice, Pashka. That's awesome. Yeah, so I'm using the Tokyo Open, Martin. Nothing. I mean, yours could be good too. There's nothing wrong. You can use the reset. I mean, the swing low after the 6 p.m. reset. There's nothing wrong with that. Thank you, Dan. Hey, Trading Star. Yeah, but I hit the stop loss earlier. So I have a stop loss on NQ earlier and now a TP. But these are on the scalping account. And now I left with one break-even trade here on NQ and it's not looking good. We were already down here, almost hitting the TP, and now we're back. So unfortunately, it's not gonna end up good on as far as I can see. But the trade that we took was this on gold. That was quite good. But unfortunately, this here, not looking good. This trade is going to go to the dumpster now. So we're taking the full loss on this. The full unconditional loss on this trade. We could be going for Asia high though. Oh, it's not a Dan. There's only one secret to it. It's not even a secret. Just trade small, and trade according to your plan, and that's it. So, in the big picture, you know, you should end up in profit. That's the thing. Gold trade is hit the TP. Yeah. That was a nice one. We hit the TP. I know the tilt. Yes, Dan. Yeah. The tilt. The tilt can get us super easy. Yay. Yeah. So we gotta fight against it because it's really such a bad thing. So far we'll still end this, but okay. Yeah, not looking good. And gold is nice and bullish. NQ is gonna go higher, it seems like. Unfortunately. Done for the day. Booked 100 pips. Oh no. The stop loss. Well, you gotta lose sometimes to make a little bit of an extra. So it seems like we're going for Asia high. How about that? That's an 100 pips on gold. That's perfect. Unicorn setup, I think it will go up. Yeah, it seems like we're going for the Asia high right now. Gold took support from the fair value gap. Yeah, look at that. Now it's going higher. Now all-time high is quite close. Where is that? Yeah, 44.36. But are we gonna go from here? I don't know. Could happen throughout the week. We have NFP and CPI news, so you never know. You never know. And this is NQ pushing higher. Strong move here. Indicator is showing. Okay, if I have a pullback here on NQ, I might jump in. Otherwise, I'm just kind of waiting. So let's wait. I mean, I don't know yet if this is the thing that we're waiting for or not. It could be just another liquidity sweep. Look at this area here. Fair value gap taken on NQ. Obviously, if we close higher than the 270, we have a great chance to go for the 80. Seems like it wants to. Small long position targeting 293. That could be a good one. Let's see what it wants, right? Let's see what it wants. There could be a pullback happening as well. I just don't know where. Or it could completely reverse on this fair value gap here. Hard to say. I think we have, I mean, we have relatively equal highs at 83. So that could also be a good target. Who knows? Yeah. Relatively equal highs. Long and NQ from 268. 20 points. Let's go. Over the stop for break even. Nice. Bearish breaker on 1 minute chart. I mean, it's kind of feels like it's contradicting signals. Yeah. Let's wait and see. Whoa! Gareth123. Thank you for joining us. Thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Or Geoff. You tried those Bulldog Korean noodle? No, not yet. Oh, the fire. Oh, yeah. That one. That is super spicy, right? That is very, that's like, yeah. I tried it. I like it actually. Yeah. That is so hot. So spicy. I mean, oh my gosh, that is like, whew, end of the world. I don't know how they do it like that. So NQ is up there. No pullback. Gold is pushing. NQ is pushing. All right. So not much is happening. It seems like that 233 was it, and that you know doesn't need more liquidity. Just goes higher. What contract are you on? Your prices are different from mine. I'm still on the December contract. As you can see, the December contract still has more volume. The March contract has less volume, but obviously it will be shifting. Yeah, let me update this. Yeah, so I'm still on the December contract, but I might be switching tomorrow or Wednesday, who knows. I will check the CME website for the data, and as soon as I see that the volume is getting bigger here on the March contract, I'm just going to switch. There we go. 284 incoming. Or if you're trading CFD, then the prices will be different because it's not the same price on a CFD market. I'm going to break even once we hit it. Let's go. Well, I was offside then on NQ. Unfortunate. My one micro is always fun. It's always good for fun. Auto rolled into March contract. Yeah, some platforms are doing it, which is not a big deal. No problem with that. I'm just checking the volume on CME website, and that's it. But most likely I'm gonna be shifting at least on Wednesday, but maybe tomorrow. Break even. Let's go. Yeah, so we have the supply zone up there. It's not that far actually, and we have the pre-market open. Still no pullback though. No pullback. I just can't jump in. I can't. Okay, nothing on the indicators, but pretty much pushing up there. Nothing on gold. Yeah. All right. Just waiting for the pre-market open. Let's see. Okay, gold is not doing anything. Pretty quiet. Having a bit of a pullback here on NQ. No green light for me yet. So just gonna wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oh man, there's nothing moving here. We're stuck. I mean, I like to think that we can go higher into that 5-minute zone. But it's just not it. Bum, 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 bum. Hey Martin, 1 minute market maker, buy model completed. Let's go. Sell model. Oh, okay. Nice, nice, nice. 201 sell. It's on 314 and then market maker buy. That's kind of cool. There was a target at 233, that's for sure. Yeah. I can actually see that. It's perfectly. Here's when it started. The sell model. Went down here. Here's when the buy model started. And 100% agree with you. This is when it ended. And you know what, Martin? You're absolutely 100% right. Because if we look at this closer, and we're just talking about the 1 minute chart, right? So kill zone started here at 2 a.m. Technically, I know it's not like the super best stuff here, but hey, technically, bearish market structure shift, fair value gap, right? Fair value gap, you know, boom. The first swing low or valid low from Asia session was down there, but anyway, there was no shift here. I mean, no, because there was no sweep. Here had, I mean, we had some sweep here, but anyway, went lower and lower, and here it is. This whole area is perfect. Sweep, displacement, market structure shift. There you go. Here's the market structure shift. Bullish, and that's it. All the way down here, and then all the way up there. And now the sequence is completed. Complete sequence. Hey, Terry is here. Hello. Hey. How's it going, Terry? She's curling her hair. Oh my gosh, I haven't really checked on Discord on the weekend, so there's no secret, guys. We were we had an idea to have a meeting, but we will do that. So I wasn't checking Discord messages. I was actually finishing up with the Christmas shopping. Did you guys see on TikTok this new meme that is circling all around the world? This John Hamm meme, you know, he's dancing in the disco, and you know, we're done. Now, actually, that's how I felt like yesterday evening, because I wrapped up with the Christmas presents and everything, and I was like, finally, I've done it. Everything. That's fine. Anyway. So. So what's gonna happen now? Thank you. How you doing, Terry? How was the weekend? So good to see you. Turn the lights off. Oh yeah. We'll do it. We'll do that next time. So, if the market maker sell and buy model completed, where to now, right? Where to? Indicators not showing anything. Gold doesn't really do anything right now. She has some hangover. No, she's not. What? Maybe Terry was out partying. Were you? She was out partying, maybe. Who knows? Okay, picking up liquidity here. Final attempt, or I should say maybe second attempt on this one. Low here is 79.75 with 3. All right, I put a buy limit here based on the 5-minute fair value gap. I don't know. Not feeling comfortable with this one. But anyway, I have a buy limit at 79.75. Hey Ahmed, doing great. Hope you give your vision about Nikkei. Well, I don't know if I can. I'm not really trading that too much. I'm sorry. Just a second, but I just got tagged into the trade, I think. Yeah, I did. Okay, I am. TP is 318.50. So 318, 150, 115. All right. So I have a position right here. Got tagged in. Based on the 5 minute. And here we go. We'll see. We'll see. Priced at the 4-hour break. I know it did. I checked it, and it's, yeah, it's a little bit scary. I know. I'm kind of hoping for a bigger retracement into that 4-hour gap, but yeah, it is a dangerous area. Could go lower easily. Did you ever pay out? Not yet. I got paid out from basically everywhere, and I even got a payout, everybody, from actually, let me show you. I got a payout. I just sent the payout from I just want to make sure I don't show private information. Yeah, I think it's all right. So I got payout from Warbox as well. So you guys don't see it, but I requested the payout from Warbox a few hours ago, $433, and I'm receiving $346 on Warbox. Just saying. In crypto. And I'm going to show you the trade history. I actually had 8 trades or something, 8 or 7, something like that. Anyway, so Warbox, and I traded Ethereum and Bitcoin. The longest trade that I had on Warbox was 2 days. I held the trade for 2 days. But anyway, I know it's not like thousands of dollars, but I was this is a $5,000 account. So this is not a 20K account. This is a $5,000 account, and it's just, you know, but it is what it is. It's not that bad. I'm not an affiliate at Warbox yet. I mean, I'm still testing everything. Just kind of looking into it because Bitcoin and Ethereum trades differently, and you know, I would say with crypto, you can't really do day trading. I gotta say something. The spread, the commission, I mean, not the spread, but the slippage and the commission is not so good at Warbox. So if you're oversizing the position because you're trading on the small time frames, the commission can eat up your position pretty much. So I decided to swing trade on the account. So as I was saying, I was holding a trade for 2 days, 8 hours, 12 hours. I was holding trades overnight and stuff like. I was on the leaderboard too, but so I was holding overnight trades. So what I'm trying to say is, if you are scalping, forget about it. It's not going to be good at Warbox. If you're a scalper, no, that's a no bueno. The commission is going to eat you up, and the market orders and the commissions are going to slip you and eat you up. The only way you can trade it properly is if you're swing trading. That's my biggest take on Warbox. Okay, and not bad. It's not bad. It's okay, but not for scalpers. I think that's my personal opinion. I don't know. I don't even know what the commission is like, to be honest. I don't have an exact number for you. I just know that I entered with 0 point because there's so many different point values with different brokerages. I know that I entered the position on the 5-minute chart with like a tight stop, so I had to size up the position with the market order with like 0.2 lots on Bitcoin, and it was immediately taking like $20, and my TP was like 30 something dollars or 40. I was like, what? No, it's impossible. Anyway, the commission was so heavy I couldn't scalp. It was super heavy for scalping. So it's for swing trading or intraday swing trading. You know, we talked about this. Intraday swing trading is good too. Smaller position, higher time frame targets, and you're good. Yeah. Bryce, I agree. I agree, we could. Oh, look at that. The position is not looking that good now. So anyway, I invested $55 on Warbucks and I got back $365. That's a good reward on investment, I think. So good ROI. Making $360 something or how much was it? I don't know. From $55. I think that's a good investment. Yeah. I'm scamming Patrick Whelan. Yeah, I'm taking his money. Yeah. Yeah, I'm taking Patrick's money. But you know, let's just clear something. In my opinion, the orders, just like at other prop firms as well, the orders at Warbucks are never going out to the real market. Okay, this is just demo accounts all over the place, and that's how they can do it. Because if these would be real day trades, the spread would kill you even more. The spread and the slippage and the commission. So the only way they can do it is on a demo account, where they control the price on their own platform. Well, not their own, but almost. Okay, so this trade is not doing good. A pre-market open has happened. At least I have a possible long signal on NQ. So I'll be looking at that. I gotta order food. Let's see what's in today's menu. Let's see. Ooh, I gotta order some soup as well. Okay. Okay. Very tasty foods. I started with the $5,000 account, so 5K account. It was only $55. Maybe it was the promo price or something. So I was like, you know, why not 55? It was an instant funded account, by the way, Ollie. It was an instant funded account. Okay, I might gonna have a signal here. I might gonna have a signal here on the indicator. 10 points. It's a little bit too tight. Took a small long based on the indicator as well. Anyway, let's see how it goes. We create a bear trap new high. Let's go. So I have 2 positions on currently on NQ. One is definitely heavier than the other. We'll see. Bull trap new high. Well, in this case, all I'm hoping for is if we can get a push higher here. Yeah, it's not going. Why is it not going? Just go. This would be a scalp trade, what you see here right now. But the other one would be a swing position. The 3 micro trade would be not swing position, sorry, but that would be like a longer term position for the day. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should just go for 1 to 2 here. You know? Why not? Why not just go for 1 to 2 risk to reward here? Right? $43. Okay. I'm going for 305 on this. No. No. No, I'm not. I'm going back to 1 to 1. Uh, 1810. It wants to go, but it's not going. It's not going yet. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what's for lunch. What's for lunch? Let's see. We have chicken soup. That's actually good. That's good. Okay. Okay. Ooh, we have paprikash. Ooh, we have paprikash with galushka. Okay, we like that. We like that. Good old Hungarian foods. Oh my gosh, I love to eat. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. I can show you guys what's for lunch. Looks deliciously good. I like it. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. This is what we like. Okay, this is gonna be lunch. Or there's another one maybe. We like it. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh my gosh. Ooh, the other one looks good too. Ooh. Oh my god, this other food is even better. Which one should I order? There you go. This is also chicken with a special sauce with rice. Oh my gosh. Both are delicious. This has cheese on it. Okay, I'm super hungry now. Okay. I don't live in... I live 100 kilometers south from Budapest. Yeah. Looks good but bland. Bull flag on NQ. Let's hope. What's the name for that food? I'll try to translate it properly. I'll try to translate it for you. It is spicy chicken bites fried in anko crumbs with jasmine rice. So spicy chicken bites. Okay, anyway, but there's another one. There's another one which says, all right, almost got it, which says matro pork with parsley potatoes. Yeah, that's a kind of pork meat. Anyway, looks right. It's very good. It's not a Hungarian specialty, but it definitely is delicious. I mean, you know. Yeah, the first one seems more. This one looks more satisfying, right? Okay, that's what I'm gonna order. This is potato, so that's definitely giving me a lot of extra weight. And this one too. But this meat is delicious with the cheese and the sauce. Anyway, I'm gonna have that. What is this trade doing? Why are we not hitting the TP already? Hit the TP. Come on, damn it. Hit that freaking TP already. I just need a scalp trade to move on. It needs coffee. Oh, yeah. Come on, just a little more push. As Heath Ledger's Joker, rest in peace, Heath Ledger, great acting as Joker in Batman Batman Dark Knight. As Heath Ledger's Joker said it in that scene with Batman, all we need is a little more push. That's what we need. Yeah, we need that. Just a little bit of a push. Just a little more push. Kind of Budapest State. Oh, let's go. All right, Budapest in March. Could you kindly advise on places to visit? Yeah. You know what? In March, we're gonna talk about until then. I have some places. I have to think about it, and I will paste the websites for you here in the chat, and you can check them out. There are some real good places you got to check out. My girlfriend said that to me once. I cried and went to bed. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. You are welcome. Yeah, the #1 place to visit in Hungary is my house here. You know, delicious foods, good drinks. You know, if anyone wants to do a trader gathering, I'll be welcoming everybody with some margaritas, martini, or maybe a beer or some vodka, palinka. Everybody's welcome. Drinks on me. Maybe some cigars, you know, sit back, relax, drinking some delicious margaritas, smoking some cigars maybe, and having some good time, sitting back, relax, and talk about trading. How about that? And trust me, guys, if there would be a gathering, and I hope it will, in Hungary, I know exactly the place where we will do it, and it's gonna be awesome. Trust me on that. I can get some celebrities, real Hungarian celebrities, to the place as well. It's gonna be a real party. I'm gonna throw in all my connections, and it's gonna be a great party. Come on, NQ, push it. If I do a party, exactly, Terry. If I do a party, that is gonna be so fun. That is gonna be that. I mean, guys, And ladies and gents, that's going to be super fun when we throw a party. We're going to dance, we're going to party, we're going to eat a lot. And then when we ate a lot, we're going to eat some more and drink. So that's what we're doing. Eating, drinking, dancing, eating, drinking, dancing, dancing, eating, drinking, singing, you know. Singing, dancing, eating. We're gonna dance on the top of the table, just saying. So that's a very common thing here. We are dancing at the top of the table. So that is what we are going to do. Just saying. Oh, damn it. Thank you. I'm taking it off. Thank you. All right. I took it off. It's teasing with that TP here, but it's fine. Actually, now it hit the TP. Thank you. 5 minute supply zone. I took it off. No strippers. For Trading Stars, there's going to be a separate party. We're going to send Trading Star to a totally separate party. Is this for Christmas Eve or you okay? Oh, yeah. One more thing. It's going to be a 90s party, by the way. Just saying. It's going to be definitely 90s vibes. Maybe a bit of an 80s vibes too. Like I'm gonna dress up as Sonic Rocket from Miami Vice, you know, with the big white, I mean, the white jacket, you know, sunglasses. I'm gonna have a long hair just to make sure. So it's all gonna be Miami Vice theme and you know, 80s 90s party. Hungary is electronic music home base. Yeah, we like all kind of music, by the way. All kind of music. Party like it's 1999. Actually, you know what? You know what? You know what? RX, you just got me. You just got me. Totally. And that's my biggest problem. That's my problem. If you got me. You just got me. So anyway, since we're getting to that session now. Oh my gosh, that's not it. That's not it. I almost got the wrong music here. There you go. Exactly. We're doing this. So. So this was a fun session. I'm signing off. Back to your session later. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support, please use the code TOMSABO. Helps out the channel. Enjoy the rest of the day. I'll be back later. God bless you all. Cheers.